underwater with a camera, you're stepping into a completely different environment, where light bends, movements shift, and every shot demands extra thought. That's why preparation matters just as much as the gear you bring. With built-in waterproofing, underwater touch controls, and a range of mounts designed for all kinds of dives, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 makes adapting to the challenges easy. Whether you're planning a quick snorkeling trip or a deep dive expedition, setting up the right way ensures your footage looks as good as the adventure feels. Let's break down everything you'll need before the first splash.
Getting the best footage with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 underwater comes down to having the right settings and accessories. Whether you're freediving, scuba diving, or snorkeling, a little preparation can make a huge difference. Before jumping in, the first step is activating underwater mode from the drop-down menu. This prevents accidental screen touches caused by water movement, ensuring your recording remains uninterrupted. Once that's set, it's time to choose the best mount or grip for your dive. A versatile option is a 3-way multi-mount which allows for a variety of angles. It's adjustable for both tight and wide selfies, offers full length and angle flexibility, and features a rotating ball joint for easy positioning. However, it is negatively buoyant, so it requires careful handling underwater, and the screws on the joints may rust over time if not rinsed properly after saltwater use. For those who prefer a secure and positively buoyant grip, the floating hand grip is a solid choice. It stays afloat, has a high visibility collar for easy spotting, and includes a strap for added security. While it's rust-resistant and durable, its shorter length limits reach and framing, and its buoyancy may cause slight drag when moving through the water. Another great option is the Action Selfie Stick, offering the longest reach among the available mounts. It's lightweight but still slightly negatively buoyant, making it easy to handle. Scuba divers can pair it with a magnetic selfie stick holster for a secure locking mechanism. However, since it doesn't bend to adjust angles, positioning needs to be considered beforehand. Over time, frequent use may cause it to loosen, and additional purchases such as a quick-release mount or a wrist strap might be necessary. For snorkeling, freediving, or shallow dives, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 can be used without a case since it's waterproof up to 12 meters. In this setup, all you really need is a mounting stick and a quick-release mount for easy handling. Some divers opt for the vertical-horizontal mount, which allows quick switching between a vertical 9x16 and a horizontal 16x9 framing, making it easier to adapt to different shooting styles. Since the camera is negatively buoyant, using a float guard is a smart move to prevent it from sinking. The high-visibility orange color makes it easy to spot, and it's made from lightweight yet durable EVA material, maintaining access to buttons, microphones, and the touch screen. However, it does add some drag in the water and prevents the screen from flipping. For deeper dives, beyond 12 meters, the dive case is essential, allowing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to go as deep as 60 meters while maintaining protection. Before sealing it up, swapping out the wind guard for the mic cap is necessary to ensure full waterproofing. The dive case makes deep diving possible while preserving high-quality imaging thanks to its glass lens. Its stable and durable design keeps the camera protected against pressure changes and impacts. However, condensation can sometimes build up inside the case, so using anti-fog inserts helps keep the lens clear. One trade-off is that the touch screen and the flip screen functionality becomes restricted, meaning settings can't be adjusted once the camera is inside. Planning shots before entering the water is key to maximizing dive time. Pre-setting camera modes and setting ensures a smooth workflow once submerged. When diving, positioning is everything. Keeping the sun behind helps illuminate subjects naturally, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Since the water reduces sharpness and contrast, getting closer to the subject within 1 to 2 meters results in clearer, more detailed shots. This is especially crucial when not using additional lenses. For filming marine life, approaching slowly and avoiding sudden movements prevents scaring them away. With the right setup and shooting techniques, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 makes underwater videography effortless. Whether capturing vibrant reefs, fascinating marine creatures, or the thrill of deep diving, this camera ensures high-quality footage with minimal effort.